Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English. The video of this topic is how to update or set your banner image of YouTube. Let's go to mobile Chrome. So friends, let's go to Chrome. Click on three dot and then click on desktop site and then click on YouTube. Now the YouTube will open in desktop site mode. As you can see, the YouTube has been opened. Now we will click on our icon and then click on YouTube Studio. It now in the mobile Chrome it directly opens the YT Studio, but we don't need to open it. We go back and deep click on YouTube Studio and then click open in new tab in group and then click on the new tab opened in the group. Then click on three dot, again desktop site. Simply click on customization section. Then click on branding. Now here's the banner image. You can change or remove. If you don't have uploaded, it will only shows the option to upload it, but I have uploaded, so it shows me change or remove. By the way, if we want to change or if we want to upload, it is the same method. So I click on change and choose my icon. We have chosen our banner image, as you can see, and to save it we will click on done so that it may upload, and then we will click on publish to save the changes. It says changes published. Now you can simply go to your channel and see your work is done.